So confusingly, these were also part of the American range of snacks, at least from what I remember. I guess they were introduced by Frito-Lay in like the 60s, and that is Funyuns onion rings. The key thing to note about this, though, is that, at least for us, it is Smith's that do it. Oh, I see. Pepsi owned them. That explains why. Smith's is the UK wing, I guess, of oh wait, hang on. Yeah, because Smith's is Walker's. Sorry, I forgot. But rather than, because the What's-Its, the closest thing to them are the, like, Cheetos. Things like that. But, yeah, I haven't had onion rings, at least. I've had onion rings legit, like fried onion rings and whatever, but never as a corn snack. Also, I was expecting them. The picture I see there is like they're massive. These have shrunk. I'm just checking that they're still in date. Nearly. They're about 2-3 weeks out of date. Because, like, I mean, look at it. They're not. I'm gonna put them on my finger. They're not supposed to be that small, surely. The image of them online has them looking much larger. Anyway, let's see how oniony they are. As an onion equivalent, they're very much on point. I do find it interesting though that it can be used as a replacement for onions in green bean casserole, and crushing them up basically gives you an oniony sort of coating for a Thanksgiving turkey. So in essence, these aren't too dissimilar to sort of corn snacks that I've had before, be it the bacon ones or What's-Its or whatever. To some extent prawn crackers, but not exactly. They are good though. It's a shame about the size. But whether it's only the actual American ones that are sort of the traditional size. Surprisingly good. I will have more of them probably in a day or two. Seal the bag up and finish the rest of them. So yeah, although I'm a bit disappointed in the size of them, flavour wise and taste wise they're very good. Tell me your thoughts and what you think of the size differential, because they aren't really, I wouldn't say they're onion rings to me. They're more sort of like a cross between hula hoops and Whatsits because of the size, because you can like put them on your finger. You could put hula hoops on your finger when you were a kid because you had smaller fingers. You ain't going to do it unless you get a really super crazy hula hoop. You ain't going to do that now. So yeah, there's your lot for today. Check out all the other content on here. AJ's movie reviews and verses, Owen's sip and snacks, and Voices of Liberty and other resorted content. My gaming stuff, as well as snack stashes. Sorry, I forgot what I was actually doing here. Brilliant. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more stuff like this and all the other content. You know, have a look through. You know, don't subscribe immediately if you don't feel up to it. Look at the variety of stuff that we try and give you, including, because I nearly forgot, the Popcast Movie Club discussions, as well as the Pop the Question Q&A chats that we have every few weeks, and the movie awards coverage, if that's even happening. I mean, films are coming out, so maybe, but with the Emmys getting kicked into the long grass, who knows? You'll have to keep an eye on the channel. As I say, like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, comment on what you think on, I guess, American Funyuns, because that isn't what I was expecting. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.